keep watching to see how I got this gender reveal box. So I just basically found a used box. It's super tall. It's plain. Of course, if you already have a white box, it's probably going to be easier. But since we don't, we're going to take our time and paint this one. This is a huge no-no. If you try to be cheap like me, thinking like, oh, I just need a cheap box to do my gender reveal in, we already saving money, the 97-cent cans at Walmart is not going to do you well. As you can see, I was trying to make it work, even spraying it super close to the box. And I even went over it 2 times, like to see if it would whiten up, and it just didn't work. So basically, after that, we end up having leftover paint that somebody used to paint our house. And I just used the roller, and it came out so much more white. And we had so much paint that we went on and done all of the sides of the box. Since he begged me that I couldn't do it, he got to do it now. So here's the front, the sides, and he working on the back, and then we'll just have the top to do. And of course, I touched the paint and put paint all on my leg on accident. So yeah, don't do that. We were more concerned with the front of the box, so we did do that one twice. Let it dry for like a couple days because we got sidetracked with other stuff. But anyway, I went online and I printed out these boy and girl little cute samples of stuff. If you like anything that's cute, it's cheaper just to print it out, cut it out, and then use your hot glue gun or whatever type of glue you want to use to glue it directly onto the box. Here's kind of what it's looking like so far, and I just decided I wanted to use pretty much every single thing that I printed out. So I just went glue crazy and had my husband help me to paste them on, especially the ones closer to the bottom, and that's what we did. All right, guys, basically here's the finished thing of the outside of the box. I did send my husband to Party City a couple days before this, so we pre-ordered what we're going to put inside of it, so he went to pick it up. But I wanted him to take a video so you can see a little bit of a bunch of options that they have to offer. So this is what their thing looks like, and as you can see, our order's already ready for pickup, so he just grabbed that and bring it back home. Okay, so we got the big old huge boy or girl balloon that pops out confetti. And then we got the big baby for the centerpiece. Make sure you have a weight on the bottom of it just so it don't fly away. Well, I guess it's your choice whether you want it to fly away or not. And we also got this baby boy, super cute. He's a huge big baby and I love him. I actually still have him. And like I say, here's the balloon and it says girl or boy on both sides. It's huge. Here's us stuffing the box. So we're trying to basically stuff all the boy balloons like it's a boy inside of the box. And my husband's pretty rough, so he just be pushing them down, not caring. But we pushing them down in the box so that you close the top of the lid and then they should pop out. So we'll show you exactly what we did for ours just because it was COVID-19, and here's what it looked like. If you want to check out our full video of our gender reveal, I'll have the link in the description box below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get it. Let's go.